Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this tablet. First of all, go into settings and tap on security section. Now you need to click on screen lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern pin or password. After that, enter it and choose next at the bottom right corner. Now repeat it and click on confirm. After that, answer this question by tapping on one of those answers. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want any, so I will go with the last option, don't show notifications at all, and tap on done at the bottom right corner. Now when I click home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!